Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to insert automatic serial number in Google Sheets. So let's started. At first, open your Google Sheets file. Firstly, in this video I will show that automatic serial number. Now, firstly select from the inner column option. Now, keyboard press from the one. Then automatic serial number is the mark. Now keyboard press from the control is the click from the mark option. Now scroll your mouse. That's it. Then I show the automatic serial number in Google Sheets is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.